Many people believe that gambling is the fastest way to get rich. For some, it seems like the only path to wealth, a ticket of financial struggle. But the truth is, the mindset is more common than you think, and it's rooted in how people view money, opportunity, and risk. Poor people often see wealth as something that happens to others, not as something they can create themselves. They look at lotteries, casinos, sport bets, and quick wins because it feels like the only route to escaping their financial reality. The real problem is not gambling itself, it's the mindset behind it. When someone doesn't have financial education, saving habits, or access to scalable opportunities, gambling can feel like hope. It's the illusion that single moment or lucky bet can change your life overnight. The world of finance and business doesn't teach patience or leverage. To risky, heavy shortcuts become attractive. Contrast that will how the wealthy think. Rich people understand that wealth is built, not won. They focus on acquiring assets, creating multiple income streams, and leveraging time and capital. They invest in stocks, real estate, online businesses, and intellectual property. Tools like produce consistent returns instead of relying on luck. Wealth is a system, not a one-time chance. The danger of gambling as a mindset is that it reinforces scarcity thinking. It encourages hoping overdoing, shortcuts over strategy. It keeps people trapped in cycle of debt and disappointment because most bets don't pay off, and even occasional wins rarely build long-term financial stability. The solution is not to demonize gambling, but to shift perspective. Start thinking in terms of creating value, owning system, and learning scalable skills. Even small steps, saving, investing, or building a side hustle, teach discipline and compounding growth, which are far more powerful than any jackpot. The rich understand that every dollar can be a worker, every skill can be a leverage, and time is the ultimate asset. Poor people see gambling as the only way to wealth because they don't yet see the alternatives. When you understand that wealth is not about strategy, ownership, or compounding effort, the illusion of the easy win disappears. Building real wealth is not glamorous, but it's a far more valuable and life changing than relying on luck.